Hi stamping and crafting friends. Welcome to Melissa's Crafting Treehouse. Today I have a simple fun project for you that features the Peony Garden Designer Series paper, Borders Abound stamp set, and the Tasteful Labels dies. Now I love this project because it's super simple and can be recreated with lots of different Designer Series papers and different sentiments as well. Here are all the patterns of the Peony Garden Designer Series paper. This paper is super versatile and easy to work with. Now I am going to show you a few other cards that I made with this same layout on a different Designer Series paper, so make sure to stick around to the end to see those as well. This is one of my club and free card kit projects, and so you can get the pieces and parts to make this kit along with 2 others with qualifying orders in my online store. For details about my free card kit program, make sure to check out the link in the video description below, or check out my website under tutorials and classes. We're going to start with a card body that measures 4 1/4 by 11 inches. And I have a couple pieces of Designer Series paper here that have adhesive already on the back. And I'm just going to start by attaching my larger one, which measures 3 by 4 inches, to the bottom. And my smaller piece, which measures 2 by 4 inches, is going to get attached to the top. Now when you attach these, you want to make sure that you have the same amount of space on all the outside edges. This section here is going to get covered up, so you won't need to worry about that part. Now I've got a piece of basic black cardstock and a piece of my black glitter paper, which I just love. This has adhesive on the back already. And I'm just going to attach my glitter paper to my black strip. Now I've got a piece of my metallic mesh ribbon. This is just wonderful, fun, playful ribbon. It's part of the Halloween suite in the current mini catalog, but it can be used for all kinds of different things. For my project, I'm going to cut it down the middle, and then I'm going to place it on the back side of my assembled piece here. And I'm going to attach it with dimensionals. And this is going to make just a really nice, delicate edge for my sentiment piece, making it extra special. And then I'm just going to trim off the edges so they're even on both sides. And I like to use the edge of the cardstock to press my scissors against to get a nice clean cut. Now I'm just going to go ahead and attach this panel to the front of my card to straddle those 2 pieces of Designer Series paper. Now for your sentiment, you can simply stamp it in some basic black ink, Jet Black StazOn or Memento Black. That's what I've done here. But if you want to step up your sentiment just a bit, you can do a little extra something to add some shine to your sentiment. For my sentiment, I've used a die cut piece from the Tasteful Labels dies, and I just love these dies with the elegant, delicate trim there, just really subtle and pretty. So I'm going to bring my Versamark in and my Jet Black StazOn, and I'm using a thank you sentiment from the Borders Abound set. And I'm just going to ink it up with my Versamark. I'm going to grab my clear embossing powder to have that at the ready. And then I'm going to add some Jet Black StazOn, stamp it on my die cut piece, and then very quickly put it into my clear embossing powder. Now you want to do that quickly because the ink won't stay wet for very long. And then you're just going to go ahead and heat emboss it. And as you can see, it's now shiny and black. So you can heat emboss in any color by using this trick. It's one of my favorite tricks. Now to attach my sentiment, I'm going to use some multi-purpose liquid glue because it's really the only thing that will stick on the glitter paper. And now my sentiment is framed by that gorgeous black glitter paper. One of the things I love about this glitter paper is that it doesn't shed any glitter at all. And last but not least, I'm going to put a couple of rhinestone jewels to flank my sentiment. And you may want to put a tiny bit of liquid glue to attach these rhinestones as well. And I did put a little bit of white glue right here, realized it was a lot, so I just pulled some up on one of my rhinestones and then put it over on the other spot. And hopefully this one now won't ooze out because it's just the right amount of glue. And there's my finished project. Here's my other version with some of the other patterns in the set of Designer Series paper. And here are a few others that I've done using the Magic in This Night Designer Series paper. The sentiment is from a different set, but looks equally good. All you need is just a sentiment that fits inside of that die cut shape. And there you have it, a super simple card, quick and easy to make, and easy to remake with your own Designer Series paper and sentiments as well. As a reminder, this is a club and free card kit project. In-person club members will make this project during the November 2020 club event. Online club members will receive a kit to make this project in December 2020. Free card kit recipients will receive this project kit for qualifying online orders placed in December 2020 and January 2021. To get free card kits, all you have to do is place a qualifying order in my online store. Plus, first-time customers get all 3 kits regardless of the order size. To learn more about how you can get free card kits, check out the link in the video description below. I hope you enjoyed my project today, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for spending some time with me today, and happy crafting!